What is up, guys? So, if you made it this far, welcome to now phase 2 of RGHTBrainDesign. Um, I'm starting an entire productivity line with machining, with fabrication, um, with very personalized R&D type work, and I'll be doing stuff like what I did here, which was V-mount stuff. This will all be direct plug and play, ducted. Um, I've got electric water pump configurations going on soon. Of course, exhaust manifolds. I've got particular porting, I wouldn't say templates, but I have someone who is able to identify the needs of your build. And then we're going to work together and say, okay, based on their actual needs and budget, we'll go with this turbo, this manifold design, and overall this kind of final project to make all of this work in unison. So I'm getting the phase 2 together, which is the business side that is a mechanical, tangible item. These are things that will be tested with, like in this scenario here, I have EMAP, EGT, dual wideband. I have 4 map sensors, bunch of pressure sensors, oil cooling, pre and post cooler. So I'm sorry, oil temp, pre and post cooler. I have coolant pressure, stuff like that. So every single system will be tested thoroughly as best I can, to the best of my current ability, and then hopefully I can process it with a few others who have maybe more experience than I do. Because although I've put in my 10,000 hours and then some, there are people out there that are far better at doing this sort of data analysis than I am. I think I'm pretty good, but there are a lot of exceptional minded people out there. So the build phase, we're starting it now. This means for exhaust manifolds, for V-mount kits, for specialized projects, electric water pumps that bolt into factory locations. I'm really trying to cover all the bases to make these cars as reliable as possible. And then, of course, I'm going to be handling ECU sales, turbo sales, stuff like that, because in the past, I haven't. I personally believe that I would much rather focus on the output and quality of the hard work, not sales. And seeing where the market's going and seeing we have so many salesmen out there. It seems like a waste of my time. But a lot of you've asked me, and when you get your products, you'd be like, why aren't you getting that 20% profit margin? Because in our industry, that's all it is. It's only a little tiny percentage. So it's not furniture, it's not jewelry, where you have huge potential for an income off that sale. So I'll be designing some stuff, making as much as I can bolt in, work on the sales side, and that is a phase 2. There is a phase 3. It is already started on the website. I have not published anything to where it's purchasable yet, but I will be offering educational basis for vehicle design and setup, for engine calibration, and for a lot of specifics as far as, making your life easier for deciding how to build your car. And I hope that this translates to more than just car stuff, because there really is more to it than that. This is kind of a thought process you can apply to any aspect of life, whether it's your business, whether it's, social shit, whatever you want to do. I'm trying to break this down to where it can apply to more than just rotary engines. It's not that specific. So hopefully that helps a few of you out. The product line will be starting off at the end of the year. So I'll have a few NDAs and non-competes to set up. So once you get those set up, the business side's handled. I will be producing with a team some of the highest quality stuff for these cars. So I am definitely an elitist asshole. I'm okay saying that. This stuff is going to be high quality. It's going to be tested before it gets sent out. It's going to be, surface finished. Everything will be as best as it can be for the application. Is the price going to be higher? Yeah. But you get what you pay for. And it's not going to be some mass-produced cast manifold that has EGT problems and balance issues and cooks your turbo setup. It's going to be something that's designed very well. And they'll offer stuff like this coating, which is header shield. I know a lot of you guys love that. So I'll make a connection with header shield, make a partnership growth type thing with that business, and we'll let this expand naturally. So if there's anything you guys need, please request it in the video, or contact me personally. My information's on my website at RGHTBrainDesign.com, as well as Instagram, Facebook, whatever you guys need. So if there's a particular set of parts that you need me to build you, or that's frustrating you, or whatever it is, I'll try to cover the best I can. So that's it for tonight. Try out the camera. Hopefully it's doing a little bit of fun zooming for you guys. So, all right, catch you in the next one.